Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video on how to get this smoky eye according to Bobbi Brown. I purchased this Bobbi Brown makeup manual on Amazon. I think it was like maybe $13 and I've been loving it. I've been learning a lot from it, and on page 106 and 107 it kind of ripped. Oops. But on 106 and 107, Bobbi Brown has a smoky eye application, kind of like a tutorial. She tells you how to apply eyeshadows and eyeliner to make a smoky eye. And here is my rendition of her tutorial. I followed her tutorial step by step, and this is what it came out with. I made a few mistakes, but that's okay. You're gonna make a few mistakes, and it takes a lot of practice. There are 14 steps, and at the end she gives you 3 different lip colors: a pale lip color, a medium lip color, and a dark lip color. And she shows you how it looks and how it changes the smoky eye look with the different lip colors. So I did that for you at the end as well. If you want to see how I followed Bobbi Brown's smoky makeup tutorial, just keep watching. So the first step that Bobbi Brown says is to start with white shadow on the entire lid. Bobbi Brown doesn't tell us to prime our eyes, but I'm gonna do that anyways. And then her first step says to start with white shadow on the entire lid. So first I'm going to prime my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a damp beauty blender. I haven't done my whole face yet in case there is some fallout. I'm going to pause in the middle of doing the smoky eye and go do my face, and I'll come back to finish the bottom part of my eyes after I do my whole face. My eyes are primed, and now I'm going to go into the Tartelette Toasted Palette in the shade S'more. And I'm just going to layer that on top of my eyelids. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M433 brush into that same shade S'more, and I'm going to dust that shade all over my lids. Step number 2 says to choose a medium smoky color for the lower lid. Apply it 3/4 of the way up. I'm going to take the Morphe M332 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Latte in our Tartelette Toasted palette. Not in the crease, just on the lower lid. Okay, a little bit in the crease. Step number 3 says to continue to layer the color to make it darker. Add a deeper color on top and in the crease to intensify the look. I'm going to continue layering that shade on top of each other just to deepen that shade up. Ow! Just poked myself in the eye. My hand is already starting to get tired. I think that's a good sign. I'm continuing to blend out that latte shade all over the lid, all over the crease. Bobbi Brown's 4th step into creating a smoky eye is to concentrate on the crease. Continue to layer the shadow deeply enough to create a dramatic effect. I'm going to take this Milani crease brush, and I'm going to go into this shade Cozy. It's a little bit deeper than this shade Latte. It's this one right here called Cozy. I'm going to put that on the lid, and I'm going to put that in the crease. I think the key to creating a really nice blended out smoky eye is layers. Layers upon layers upon layers of blending and applying shadow lightly. Even though we've already used only, 3 shades, we already have this really nice blown out smoky, almost smoky eye. It's looking really good. Well, this is supposed to be what it's looking like right now. I don't know if you can see that. I think that she went darker on the outer corner and stayed kind of light on the inner corner. And she didn't tell me to do that. She told me to do the whole lid 3/4 of the way up. And that's what I did. I think I'm gonna go in with a deeper shade and concentrate on the crease, continuing to layer the shadow deeply enough to create a dramatic effect. So I've finished my face. I just did my full face of makeup. The camera cut out right when I was doing the eyeliner. So what happened was I deepened up that crease shade and that lid shade. And then step 6 said to start at the outside corner using a pencil or dark shadow or liner. So I used this NYX retractable eyeliner, and I went in and lined the top of my lash line, and then I went and did the rest of my face makeup. And now step 8 says to line underneath the eye, beginning at the outside corner, moving toward the inner corner. So now I'm going to line the lower lash line with that same eyeliner. It says line as close to the lashes as possible. It's a pretty thick line that she's drawing on this model. Now that I look like a crazy zombie, let's see what step number 10 is. Soften the line using a clean finger or Q-tip. Dude, I wonder if this mascara or this eyeliner is waterproof. Dumb. Waterproof eyeliners don't want to move. I literally took out like 3 lashes trying to put this eyeliner on. We're gonna intensify that eyeliner now, and step 11 says to give the pencil line staying power. Not that we need that. Use a liner brush to sweep a layer of eyeshadow over the pencil. I'm going to take this Icing Duo Smoky brush, and I'm going to take the liner side, and I'm going to go into that shade Fireside in our Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm just going to go over that eyeliner that we just applied. Step number 12 says smudge the line to create a smoky look. Somewhere between liner and shadow, the liner can be thickened. Step 13 says reapply to add more definition. Continue layering and checking for the effect you desire. So I guess we're going to continue layering those other shadows that we were already layering. I'm going to go back into Fireside with that Milani crease brush that we had. Yeah, I'm going to continue deepening that outer corner here. I'm going to go back with that Morphe M4332 brush and go back into that shade Cozy. I'm going to deepen up the crease and blend out those shadows. This is their final smoky eye. What do you think? How'd I do? Not too good, I know. That's okay. I'm not at the level of Bobbi Brown yet, so I'm gonna go put on mascara and I will zoom you out so you can see the final look. So here is the finished look. After the 14 steps that Bobbi Brown gives, she says for a more dramatic look, adjust your lip color. So then it gives like three different pictures, and there's like one girl with a pale lip color and then the same girl with the medium lip color, and then the next picture is a more dark lip color, and it kind of does change the look. So I thought I would do that for you here. I have 3 lip colors to try, just like Bobbi Brown. I have Kathleen Lights and ColourPop's Aquarius in the satin finish. And then I have the Beauty Creations Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade 17 Sweetheart. And then I have another ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Suki for the darkest lip. So I'm going to start out with Aquarius. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. So here is the smoky eye with the satin lip Aquarius. For the next lip color, I wanted to do the Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Sweetheart. Okay, here is the final look with that medium lip color. We're going to go into the darker shade that I have in ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip in Suki. Really dark glosses are really hard to apply. This is not a perfect application, but if you like a super dark lip, this is kind of what it would look like, but I'm sure you would do a better job than I am. I think it went well, except for the waterproof eyeliner that I missed and the fact that I'm not Bobbi Brown. I think that's a huge part of it. She does Bobbi Brown's fourth step into Bobbi Brown's fourth step in I didn't do it up here. Bobbi. Are you kidding me? Don't want to do that. Really dark gloss lipsticks, really dark glossy lips